In this video, I will guide you how you can fix Steam games not launching or opening problem. So the first and the most important step is you need to head over to the settings and go to the download section. Then you need to find the clear download cache option, which is saying clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So you need to click on clear cache and click on confirm button, and this is going to restart your Steam, so you need to wait for a few seconds. Now once you have restart your Steam, next step is open up your library and head over to the games. Now once you are in, you need to simply go for the properties and click on verify integrity of the game files. Now if it still doesn't work, you need to simply go for the uninstallation of your game, which is in the settings, and click on manage and click on uninstall, and then you need to simply click on the install. It will be just like so. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix Steam not opening games or launching.